Were you born before 1970? If you were, you are nearly 1,000 times more likely to get cancer, diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, or COPD now than you were when you were in your 30s. Savvy elders know how lifestyle changes can prevent these diseases, lower risk factors, and effect cures in many cases. Are you getting close to having to make retirement decisions? If you are, you probably understand the anxiety about income and financial security in retirement that some people experience. Savvy elders understand that it is not too late to address the hindrances to financial security and to ensure yourself a future free of money worries, even in your 60s. Do you ever feel like you are past your prime? If you do, then you can probably relate to those who experience loneliness and feel uncertain about making new friendships or creating a primary relationship. Savvy elders know how to attract their tribe, new friends, and even an intimate life partner by expressing their authentic magnificence. Do you dread getting old? If you do, then you are not alone. Millions identify growing old with loss, sickness, unrealized dreams, and ultimately death. Savvy elders know the secret to turning this year into their best year ever and how to transform the dread of getting old into a future of living happily ever after. Introducing the Savvy Elderhood Master Class, where you can master the wisdom, maturity, gratification,